Hey guys, I'm Kitty, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup when I wear my glasses, which I don't usually do, but sometimes I do. Okay, so first we gotta take the glasses off. I didn't really know what I was doing there. I was going to put them on my head, but that didn't work out. So first things first, I make great faces while I try and prime my face. This is the Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. And now next I'm just kind of going throughout my face. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. That took me a minute. So I'm just gonna blend this throughout my face. I'm not going to put it where my glasses normally sit, just because then you'll be able to not get makeup all over your glasses, and when you take it off, it's not gonna smudge. It will look a little weird, but as long as you keep your glasses on, you're fine. Now I'm just using a translucent powder under my eyes and then to set the rest of my foundation as well. And then I was like, good enough. And then I'm just going back in with the Hangover Setting Spray slash primer slash, everything else. And now I put the mirror in front of my face because, why not? And I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. This is the Tinted Eyebrow Mascara by NYX. And I just kind of fill them in. I don't do anything special here. It's just, goes. And then next I just take a clean spoolie brush and I kind of just go over them because usually I end up making them too dark, and this kind of lightens them up. And then I kind of realized that I got it like everywhere, so I fix it a little bit. And now I'm just priming my eyes. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So now I'm just going to set this with two different colors. The first one I put on is White Peach from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and then the second one is Peaches and Cream. This just kind of helps to give you a blank base when you're doing your eyeshadow and helps it blend a little bit better. Okay, now we're moving into contouring. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I don't know how to say that, but that's what I'm using. I kind of don't really know how to contour, so I just kind of go with it and hope that it blends out, but I don't think I blend it too well on my corner of my face there. You'll see that in a minute. Yep, it's a little bit too unblended. Next I use the Too Faced Candlelight Glow. This is the Rosy Glow one, which is like the light one for the palest people in the world. I don't do anything special with this, but I over highlight my Cupid's bow because I have really small lips. So I'm going in with a fluffy brush with that bronzer, and I'm kind of just doing it on the outer bit of my lid. This is kind of very messy kind of look. We're not going for anything like special or solid. We're just kind of going for, a little color. You're not really going to be able to see it as much under your glasses, so I'm not too worried about making it neat and making it really pigmented. Next I'm taking Heat Devil from the Urban Decay Heat palette, and I'm kind of just putting that like right over the brown that I just put down, just because I've never found a color that's like red and brown enough, so I kind of just mix them together on my eyes. And then I just kind of blend it out, make sure that like it's not all messy and stuff. And then I realized that wasn't dark enough, so I went back in with a darker color. This is in Fuego, also from the Urban Decay Heat palette. This is pretty much just a darker version of the red that we used before. And so I'm going in with a pencil brush and I'm kind of just packing it on, and then afterwards I'm taking very little bit on my brush and kind of just blending it out. So I'm very gently going in with the fluffy brush, blending some of the darker color out into the lighter color. You don't want to do this too crazy because you will end up taking off a lot of the darker color and it will kind of lose its place there. So right here I'm using Tutti Cutie from the Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette from Too Faced. it's not very pigmented and it kind of looks bad. So I ended up going in later with the Sparkle Pineapple, which is a very gold color in that palette. And I still realized it really wasn't sparkly enough for me. And then I ended up just putting, this is Dirty Talk, on like the very outer part of the glitter part of my eyes. I don't know how to describe that because it wasn't glittery enough and I couldn't get it. So now I'm just doing, you know, wings. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. I like to start out with a really small wing and then make it bigger over time because I will mess them up otherwise. That was me messing it up, but then being too lazy to go back and fix it because I kind of just make them thicker. It's hard to see what I'm doing. And then I started crying for some reason, even though I don't think I poked my eye, but you know, it happens. And now there's a terrible angle of me trying to do my other eye, but I mean, you guys get the gist. I'm doing eyeliner. And then that was me messing it up and being like, you know, I don't think I really care. You couldn't see it too well. So now I'm just curling my eyelashes. It's pretty standard. You know, curl your lashes. This is me looking like an exorcist or whatever that is. This was the only mascara that I had that wasn't waterproof because I was taking this off like right after. This is the Too Faced Born This Way sample mascara, and it kind of got everywhere, but you know, that's okay. That's just me cleaning up the mascara because I got it all over my face. And then this is just a lip tint. I didn't want to go too crazy. This is Cheeky Strawberry, and it's some Demi Lovato one. I don't even know. And just kind of dancing around, I think, to Ed Sheeran. The ring light is kind of in the way of the glasses, so if you want to see a better picture of this, head over to my Instagram. It's at kitty.creates, and there'll be a link in the description for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.